Today I'm working on a Volkswagen Jetta. I just wanted to make a quick video talking about something that's kind of a little bit of a pet peeve of mine. This car is just in for an inspection, and I can see here that the CV boot is torn. You can see that very inner edge right where the clamp attaches and is torn and starting to fling some grease. This joint hasn't run dry or anything like that. It hasn't lost all of its grease. I don't feel any play in this joint at all. And what you see a lot of times when customers go to other independent shops or sometimes more maintenance-oriented places is they'll just sell them a new axle because it's a bit of an easier job, and I kind of understand, just wanting to stick an axle in this. But typically they end up with a aftermarket axle that's really cheap, low quality, and it ends up being something worse off than they would have if they were just to replace the rubber boot itself and repack the joint. Unless you're buying a GKN or a factory joint or a factory axle, it's not worth replacing unless there's play in the joint. If you see something like this and it's not completely covered in grease, you don't hear any clicking when you drive the car, when you cut the wheels from one side to the other side, then yeah, just fix it. So not that bad of a job. Pull the axle out, the two clamps off, pull it apart, clean it, put new grease in it, put the new joint on, crimp the clamps. It's not that bad of a thing. So a lot of times you'll see with cheap Chinese axles is the shafts won't be coated well. The paint's really low quality. They'll just completely rust up. They're not serviceable. The standard CV joints don't have the same splines as the shafts on a lot of the aftermarket cheap ones, and you can't even fix them in the future. You just have to throw it out and get another one again, and you get what you pay for with that kind of thing. So yeah, definitely worth just fixing. So that's it. Thanks for watching.